Hello everyone. Today we are doing decimals. We're going to multiply the figures with 1,000 today. 1,000 is your figure, which is your multiplier here. 0.23 multiplied by 3,000. It's very simple. The tactics that we are going to be applying here will be very simple. Now, how will you make it simple? Copy the question 0.23 below. Bring the multiplication sign down and you will split 3,000. How will you split this figure? You will write 3 and then multiply it by 1,000. Simple, okay? Now we're going to take 0.23 multiply by 3. Bring it in the working column here. 0.23 multiply by 3. I'm sure this figure is quite easy. I'm sure everybody knows their 3 times table. All right. So 3 times 3 is giving us 9. 3 times 2 is giving us 6. 3 times 0 is going to give us a 0. Where do you think you should put the decimal point? Since you have 2 places after the decimal point, so you're going to just take 2 places and you will put your decimal point here. Now the figure that you have got in your working column will be brought here. Okay, I will bring the figure here. 0.69 multiply it by the remaining figure that we did not calculate was 1,000. So you will bring the 1,000 here. All right. So when you are multiplying a figure by 1,000, there are 3 zeros. So you will be taking how many places? 3. We have only 2 places. I'm going to put a dash here for the 0 to be put here. So it's 1, 2, and 3. Your point comes here. So what will be the final answer? The final answer is going to be 690. This is going to be your answer. Moving on to the next question. Simple, the same thing. How will you do the second one? Let's have a look at this question. Equal sign, bring down the figure 4.123, multiply it by 4,000. You will split this number 4 multiplied by 1,000. Fine. Now, moving on to this line, I will take 4.123, multiply it by 4. This working has to be done in the working column. All right, so I will bring my figure here, 4.123, multiply it by 4. Very simple. How many places do you see here? 1, 2, 3. So 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. 1 moves up. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 ones are 4. And 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. How many places do you see after the decimal point? There are 3 places. So starting from the right side, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to put a decimal point here. So now we will bring this figure 16.492. Now we were left with 1,000. So we're going to bring the 1,000 here. How many places are we going to be shifting? 3 places. Since we are multiplying it by 1,000, so we're going to shift how many places? 1, 2, and 3. So what's going to be your final answer? 16492 is going to be your answer. 16,492 is your answer. All right. Got it? Fine. Now let's move on to the third one. Third one is also simple, very simple. It has to be done the way it is done in the previous 2 questions there. So let's finish it up. 3.125 multiplied by 8,000. It has to be split. Split the number 8 into 1,000 there. Okay. Now, take this figure 3.125 multiplied by 8. 3.125 multiplied by 8. 8 fives are 40. What moves up? 8 to the 16 plus 4, 20. 8 ones are 8 plus 2, 10. 8 threes are 24 plus 1, 25. Now, how many places do you see after the decimal point? There are 3 places. So 3 places means 1, 2, 3. All right. So we have got 25.000. Bring the 1,000 here. How many places are we going to be shifting the decimal point to? 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So what's going to be the answer? 25,000 is your answer. All right, students. Now, it was simple, very easy. The only thing that you need here is practice. The more you practice, the better it is. All right, see you in the next video on divisions of decimals. Bye for now.